Hi everyone, taking you through my new project that involves our master closet. Coming in here, this is a setup. All the fixtures here was done by California Closet shortly after we moved in. What we had when we moved in was actually pretty terrible, and I think probably structurally unsound. And it just, wasn't able to adjust it for what I needed. I had dresses that were lying on the floor because I couldn't adjust the racking, and it was just really, really terrible and ugly. So we had this done maybe about a year after we moved in, and it's just been amazing. So one thing that I've always wanted to do is do something with this wall because of the shelving here and how the clothes are. This wall was just kind of dead space. They couldn't put any shelving on it. And so I'd always envisioned making it an accessory wall. So, some type of hooks or something where it could just hang scarves or jewelry, or even purses for that matter, because you'll see I have quite some there just sort of lying around. So that's always been on my mind to do, and I think I found a solution at Ikea that will work, so I'll take you through that. So this is what I found at Ikea. The board with the holes in it is called Lurt. It only comes in white, so I'm thinking I might paint it, but for now, just going to put it up, make sure I like it. And then I'll figure out what color to paint it after. So each one of these has 6 holes in it for 6 knobs, and they are compatible with all of the kitchen knobs Ikea sells. So what I did was just went to the kitchen section and picked these out. I decided to do silver because I think I might paint the boards maybe some kind of blue color, the same one that matches the accent wall, inner room, or something else. So wanted something that would stand out, and I actually couldn't decide between these two styles. So instead of having them all the same, I got 6 of each, and I think I'm just going to mix and match them actually on each board and see how that looks. So all the knobs have been screwed into the boards. I'm actually really happy with how the alternating knobs look. Sometimes my indecision actually works to my benefit, so great to see that. Let's see how it's going to look up on the wall. So I think the first one's going to go there, maybe just kind of in line with that bar. And yeah, I think that'll look amazing. All right, so just need Ryan to get home and drill some holes. Hello, welcome back to the fashion accessory wall project. As you can see, both hook racks are now up. We ran into a bit of a problem putting them up. If I take this one off here, the lower rack, you'll notice some extra holes that ideally wouldn't be there. We ran into some measurement problems, and Ryan got super frustrated and decided to take a break. So we just came back to this yesterday. I'll just end up patching these holes, not a huge deal. They're covered by this anyway, so not completely necessary. I'll just feel better knowing that they're done. But I'm just going to pause this. I'll put this back on the wall and put the scarves on it so you can see how it looks completely finished. I'm super happy with it. Okay, we're back. Everything is in place. I hung up the scarves. The top row, with the exception of this one, I kind of just folded over and hung on the hooks. Everything stays fine. I notice the hook with the kind of sharper edge holds things a little bit better. this one that's rounded, things slide off a bit more, but these aren't overly thick scarves, so everything stays intact. And then this row down here, because there's more room, I just knotted them and hung them like this. And these actually sit on here fine. Not worried about them falling off. As soon as this was done yesterday, I was so excited. I actually went and got all my scarves and hung them up. So they've been here for almost 24 hours. Nothing's fallen. Everything works fine. So like I said, really happy with how it turned out. And this doesn't just have to be used for scarves if I wanted to. I've got some blazers, or I was thinking even jewelry could go on here, even some purses if I wanted to. So really, really functional and useful. And I like that this wall is no longer dead space. It actually provides a use, and having the scarves up there provides some color. So it's like a decorative feature as well, but super happy with it and not expensive at all to do.